Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your lineups on the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, after completing through the basic tutorial levels, you can choose your home team and you will be able to start enjoying the game right away. Now, if you wish to change the lineup of your players, then just tap on the club menu from the home page. From here, go ahead and tap on your team. And now you will be able to click on the drop-down menu if you wish to create a new lineup. You can tap on auto build to create a strong team automatically based on the ones that you have available to you. Now from this page, you can directly tap on any player and swipe their position to the one that you wish. And this will now change the lineup of those players right away. You can also check your reserve player by tapping on the reserves option and then bring out your other players from within. You can also change your formations within your matches after you have unlocked various different formation modes, and you can apply it in real time within your games. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your formations in the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.